that we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of
Tell us something, girlfriend.
What's up, AC gang? It's your girl, Abbi.
And the boy Capo
And
here.
we're back with another blazing video. So guys, as you can see by the title, the good girl, I'm gonna dance the WAP church.
From the top, make it drop. That's so.
Yeah, for those to Capo also, come see that WAP by YouTubers and our people, Capo tell them.
Guys, when the song come out, I will practice every day to try and put a video on TikTok, and from then time till now, I know the video can't post.
I know the video can't post.
That means she not good.
Guys, I'm just get fed up and say, frig this, frig WAP. But I see it a go on by YouTube so good girl say, no, Abbi, no, you got to do it, And I suck on my there right now and I'm going to try and do it. Guys, I'm not going to practice now, because a long time good girl not do it, you know. But guys, before we jump in the video, we want to give a big shout out to
Beauty by Lady K.
people from on the hear the name and you know say be things have to do with beauty.
Yeah, man, so if you don't want to know how to do the makeup properly,
yeah.
link her, isn't it?
People, I tell you, say the girl, but she can't do the something we go so. Some way do this for the makeup I also and good girl enough to do it. So if you don't want to do it, you don't want to go over to Beauty by Lady K. And guys, she can also drop some ear routine.
Yeah.
And she can drop some face routine.
And very important people. Small YouTubers, she do small YouTuber link up and connection for no grow together. So go over our channel.
Yeah.
If you want to grow, yes.
Yeah guys, because she always go on live and all of the small YouTuber them link up and subscribe to them one another channel. Should do that too. So
Yeah.
guys, as I say, ear, face, and what else? Makeup also.
Alright. Tell her say Abbi and Capo send it now.
Again, Beauty by Lady K. Big
The
up
link will
yourself.
be in the description down below.
Yeah.
And make sure say you subscribe to
Abbi's
Abbi's Madness. Yes.
Subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
And subscribe to Capo's TV.
Yeah, answer.
Just reach 1K.
Yeah, goodbye reach 1K. So guys, get Abbi's Madness to 5K. Good girl going, good girl going, good girl going.
Yes.
So no further talking.
Let's flick into the video.
AC. Yeah. Come out of the video, not Capo. Come out of the video. So guys, basically when I see them on YouTube, you know. The girl them practice the dance, so you know, yeah, practice the dance with Uno. So the good girl I go practice the dance with Uno. You see me? When you dance, I'm good. Look yeah, good girl gonna do it. So guys, I see the cast of the good girl I love there here. So that means say me after the year practice the dance, cause that means the girl them I do, you know. So we practice the dance between we and Uno. Yeah, Uno I can say. So when time we finally feel like say we achieve and can we do the WAP and so we call the dirty boy them. Yes, that's a good girl, go drop it. Yeah, WAP also. Alright. We know the song. So the song go from the top, make it drop. That's a WAP. Get a bucket and a mop. That's a WAP. Them attack WAP. That's a WAP. Macaroni in the pot. That's a WAP. So guys, yeah, basically like that I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the routine now. So what I do, I do this. Yeah. Oh yeah. What I do this. From the top. Yeah. When I see me, when I learn in. Alright, sit down. Now from the top. Come on. Again. Now from the top. Beautiful. Alright, we're gonna do the next part. Make it drop. I gotta bring down the camera a little bit. We're gonna make it drop by doing this. Make it drop. And then we're gonna turn. That's a wet ass. Now we're gonna get a bucket. So then go so. Get a bucket. And you have to flexible for do them something, you know. Get a bucket and a map. So we're gonna go down into the map. Hit the map. Yeah. That's a WAP. From the top, make it drop. Get a bucket and a map. Alright. Next one. We're talking WAP. Oh my God, my son is here. I can't do this in front of my son. Go, son. Stay. Okay. Alright. I'm talking WAP. That's some wet. And do one split. People, good girl enough to do them somebody. Good girl not flexible at all. But good girl gonna do it for you guys, alright? Macaroni in the pot. That's a WAP. Then the people that man not gonna left my people. After we can't split. Come back again. You gotta do this, Abby. The people that man gonna leave you. You got to be flexible now. Alright. Now from the top, make it jump. That's a wet. Get a bucket in the mouth. That's a wet. I'm talking what? That's some wet. Macaroni in the pot. Okay, whatever it is. Son, your father gonna left me. Your father gonna left me, son, but I'm a bad father, son. I'm a bad father. Son, I'm gonna get left. Alright, come on for me now. No man now left me to the camera flexible. So good girl, gonna do it one last time and call the boy. Come son. This is serious business. Watch out. 7. Stop. Go sit. Who you back off? Go sit. Blood clot in my ear. No, sir. Come here to me. Oh. Stay there. I did it. I gotta call the people that man now. So guys, stay tuned. The people that man will jump right there, sir. In 3, 2, 1. Hey, I'm watching a dancer. And I don't want you to leave me. So if I fail to do, are you gonna leave me?
Yes.
You gonna leave me? That no bad at all. Go on.
You better dance like you like to be.
You don't like me why you left me, go on. Yeah. Well, me do you want it. So if I left me do you want it.
Alright then.
Yeah.
So we have.
Alright guys. On a good girl. There I can dance the walk for the little dirty boy. So he might go grade me out of 10.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, Kebo, I criticize me too much. And good girl not good with criticism also, you know. So good girl I gotta get her best friend Sue for come grade me. Cause Sue a good girl and Sue gonna give me my grade what me deserve. So Sue, instead of Sue that I gonna fling with Kebo and make Sue come right in the chair.
Jesus Christ. It's where you want now.
Girl, me not dash a dirty Kebo while I go.
Why you the way?
Cause after me there dance the walk, you come tell me something not do it good. I'm gonna say you not tell no lie. You gotta give me my 10.
I lied, boy. I tell you have the work.
No.
You have a lot with it.
Yeah, I saw.
See your friend. 1, 2, 3. Good it? You're wet. You have the work. Stop when I'm talk about.
That's the way I'm gonna wanna talk about. But tell all my friend that I'm only to give me that 10 friend.
Hey, now 12 and 20.
Yeah.
You have the work.
And my friend that.
She
Yeah.
have the work. Tell him she have the work. Tell her she have the work. No,
Yeah, I have the WAP, I got
Tell
it.
her she have the work.
I got it. Alright guys, so this now is going to be the final one because I'm so tired. Like good girl really tired. Good girl tired, but so this is gonna be the last one. So Kebo after your count.
1, 2, 3.
Now from the top, make it drop. That's now get a bucket and a mop. That's some. I'm talking wop. That's macaroni in a pot.
Chance. I gotta do it. I gotta get this right. You can do it, girl. You can do it.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
From the top, make it drop. That's some. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some. I'm talking wop. That's some. Macaroni in a pot. That's some wet. Huh.
People, give her a grade out of 10. How would you grade her? That girl a 7 still. That's
Yeah, I can't go so look at me.
I'll be born up and tired of people.
Guys, if you're not flexible enough, don't do this WAP.
If you don't have the WAP, don't do the WAP.
If you don't got a WAP, don't do the WAP.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I think this is the end of the video, guys. Remember to go and subscribe to Beauty by
Lady K.
Yeah, guys, remember to do makeup, ear, and facial tutorial.
Remember, young YouTubers go over there because you don't know she'll do the whole YouTuber link up thing.
Yeah, so supporting each other, you know. Everybody will reach 1,000 and over. So yeah, that's a good opportunity. So go on over there
And subscribe.